Good day, viewers. You are welcome. How to solve these nice exponential equations? We have 3 power x multiplied by 3 power x equals 120. So to solve this, we consider the solution from here. And this expression, it follows when we have a multiplied by a. This equals a squared. By applying to this, we have 3 power x raised to power 2 equals 120. And from here, we have to multiply x and 2 together. So by multiplying that, we have 3 raised to the power of 2x equals 120. Then let's introduce log on both sides. We have this as log 3 power 2x equals log 120. So let's try to consider this. Let's say we have log p raised to power n. This equals n log p. And by applying this rule, we take 2x here as 2x multiplied by log 3 equals log 120. And then let's divide both sides by log 3. So divide by log 3 from both sides. So when log 3 cancelled log 3, we have 2x equals log 120 divided by log 3. And from here, we know that for every 120, we have 2x equals log of 3 multiplied by 40. So 3 times 40 equals 120 divided by log 3. And when we have log a multiplied by b is the same thing as log a plus log b. As when we apply it, we have 2x equals log 3 plus log 40 divided by log 3. And let's try to divide this. By dividing this one, we have 2x equals log 3 divided by log 3 plus log 40 divided by log 3. And by this one, log 3 cancelled log 3. Then we have 2x equals 1 plus log 40 divided by log 3. And in the next step, we have, so by this, we have 2x equals 1 plus log, so 40 is the same thing as 8 multiplied by 5 divided by log 3. And then we have 2x equals 1 plus, by applying the rule above, we have this as log 8 plus log 5 divided by log 3. Then let's separate this. We have this as 2x equals 1 plus log 8 divided by log 3 plus log 5 divided by log 3. And from here, we have 2x equals 1 plus log 8 is 2 power 3 divided by log 3 plus log 5 divided by log 3. And again, we have log 2 power 3, which is the same thing as 2x equals 1 plus, we call this one 3 log 2 divided by log 3 plus log 5 divided by log 3. So let's try to note that, let's say we have log A divided by log B. This is the same thing as log A base B. So we have to consider this and apply it above. When we apply this, we have 2x equals 1 plus 3 log 2 base 3 plus log 5 base 3. Then by dividing both sides by 2 from here, so we divide the whole of this by 2. It means this cancelled, and when this one cancelled, we have x equals 1 divided by 2 plus 3 over 2 log 2 base 3 plus 1 over 2 log 5 base 3. And here is the result to this problem. So this is how to calculate the value of x as it's really valid. So we can press the numeric value, so, and we get the answers in a decimal point. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell. See you in the next class. Never stop learning. Bye bye.